Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for all your favorite subscription services. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to edit your billing address on IPSY in 2025. Whether you've moved houses, changed your details, or just want to double-check everything, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. IPSY is all about personalized beauty boxes, but keeping your info up to date is key to avoiding any delivery hiccups. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your IPSY account. Open up your web browser or the IPSY app on your phone, and enter your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, well, what are you waiting for? Sign up and start exploring. Once you're in, head over to the account settings. You'll usually find this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. It might say, Account, or Profile. Look for that gear or person icon. Easy peasy. Now, in the Account Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Billing and Payment section. This is where all your financial details are managed. Click on that, and you'll see your current billing address listed. If it's outdated, don't worry, editing it is straightforward. To edit, simply click on the Edit button next to your address. A form will pop up where you can update your street, city, state, zip code, and any other required fields. Double-check everything for accuracy to prevent any mix-ups with your next beauty box delivery. After you've made your changes, hit the Save or Update button at the bottom. IPSY might ask you to confirm with a one-time code sent to your email or phone. Just follow the prompts to verify. And voila! You're all set. One quick tip. If you're using the mobile app, the process is almost identical, but make sure you're on the latest version for 2025 updates. That way, everything runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, give this video a like and subscribe for more IPSY hacks and beauty advice. See you in the next one.